Good morning, children, and welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn about number 18. Yes, E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. Number 18 comes after number 17. Look at this picture and count the objects. Yes, in this picture there are 18 oranges on the tree. Children are playing near the orange tree. Oranges. Let's see some more examples. 18 apples on a tree. 18 balloons in the air. 18 Children, in this lesson we learned about oranges. Do you like to eat oranges? How does an orange taste? Right, orange is mostly sour in taste. How many oranges are in this picture? Can you count them? Yes, there are 18 oranges. Let's learn to write number 18. We can write it in numbers and in words. You can see the red dot. Place your pencil on red dot and move it on the other dots. It is very easy. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.